In this video, I want to show you the Originality checker that is built into Google Course Kit. When you create an on-campus assignment and use a Google assignment submission, the student and the teacher have the ability to check the originality of the assignment that is submitted. From the student perspective, what this looks like is once they've launched their Google assignment and created their document, they can then click on this Check Originality button. Now they can do up to 3 originality reports that are available with each submission. And so you can run that. Then once the originality checker has finished, it will create a report. The student can then click on the report and they can see that they have 2 flagged passages. They can then click on that and it will show you the top match and where the article was found on the web, and so we can see very quickly that this was actually cut and paste directly from a website. The student then has the opportunity to correct the issue before submitting the document. Now, on the teacher side of things, if a student were to submit a document without checking for originality, the teacher can also do it on their end by clicking into the assignment and then launching your Google Assignment Course Kit. The teacher can see that the student's work. They can click into it, and then they have the ability to check originality on any document that the student might submit. And so here the teacher could click the checking originality. Once the check is complete, the teacher will be notified of any passages that might be flagged as non-original. By clicking on it, it will generate a report that will show you the passages. You can click on that and it will highlight the passage, tell you where it was found on the web. And then my second passage found in the same article because I copied this right from the internet. So that's how a teacher can utilize the Check Originality feature of an on-campus Google assignment. To make that work, you would need to make sure that you have the originality reports on when you create the assignment.